The presence of Sports Minister Zizi Kodwa in the Bafana Bafana dressing room in the aftermath of their defeat to Mali in the Africa Cup of Nations (AFCON) has sparked debate as to whether the politician should have been allowed in that space. A video of Kodwa speaking to the players after their defeat in Group E, offering words of encouragement, circulated on social media yesterday. In it, Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Broos could be seen with his hand on his jaw, while the minister, accompanied by SAFA President Danny Jordan, spoke to the squad. Bafana Bafana will play in Namibia on Sunday in a match that they must win if they are to stand a chance of advancing to the knockout round. Zizi Kodwa took it to his Twitter account and posted this video and captioned, "I think for me it is a great opportunity to progress from the group stages, and I think what was good of you is that you are careless about the crowd. It is a game of football and a split second that changes the decision. I think those short passes make a lot of difference, and I think you defeated them in the first half. But of course, you have to regroup. It's a game of football. I just want to encourage you. I think you inspire a lot of South Africans. If you look at the games that have been played in this tournament, there are no underdogs. Some big countries have also lost and they are struggling in the group stages. You remain an inspiration, go forward and never lose hope. Discipline and playing as a team, I think going forward I see success. I'm confident that you will progress. I think the coach would have drawn some lessons from the game. I just want to encourage you on behalf of the President Cyril Ramaphosa to express that message and also on behalf of South Africans." While many people saw this as political interference, the former Bafana Bafana coach Gordon Egson disagreed and said the minister was just offering encouragement and said, "I don't want to comment about it because I don't see the video. Maybe he was trying to encourage the players to pick their heads up. I don't know. They are only allowed to do what the coach tells them to do. If the coach is happy with that, it's fine. It was not interference or anything like that. I mean, we want to support the team and encourage them." People were not having it on the X app and think that Zizi Kodwa was just disrespecting the coach, Hugo Broos. Someone wrote, "Zizi Kodwa undermining Resi and Jacques Niniba in front of their players would be front page news, but Hugo Broos has to deal with it and still be expected to deliver positive results. You are witnessing in real time the political interference that's affecting Bafana Bafana." Another one said, "So Zizi Kodwa is the new Bafana Bafana coach now. Some ANC leaders are too forward. As a minister, he must stay in VIP, have a whiskey, or let the coach do his work. Bayapapa too much."
Short passes. Avoid high balls. Make sure that the set pieces, because they're slow because of their height. And I think you avoided that. But I just want to encourage you on behalf of the president, express that message, but also on behalf of South Africans, your families. Young boys from villages of Malechi in the Popo, in Richards Bay, in Kamashu.